Before you open any trade on gold, always check the economic calendar first. In this video, you will learn the best free economic calendar and the high impact news that can affect gold prices. Also, I will teach you the important actions to take both before and after the news releases to improve your trading strategy. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. In gold trading, the release of the high impact news is one of the major causes of trading positions being closed in a loss, because this news can make the market completely irrational, dramatically increasing the volatility. Look at this strong bearish movement on gold. This strong bearish movement was caused by the release of high impact US fundamentals. You can see that the release of US personal spending and personal income data made the market very bearish. You can find the news that influence the gold prices in the economic calendar. The economic calendar that I use for gold trading is on investing.com website. The news that may significantly influence gold prices are the high impact US news, and in order to display this news, you should apply the filter. In filter, you should choose only United States, and in importance, you should choose only 3-star news, and then you should click apply. Learn how to trade gold in my trading academy. Watch how I trade gold live on VIP daily live streams. For more info, check the link in the description below. And here you will see only the high impact US news, the news that may affect gold prices, and you should pay close attention to the releases of this news. Remember though that there is no guarantee that gold will react to all this news. Quite often the market will not be affected at all. For example, though the release of the US GDP is always considered to be the high impact news event, you can see that after the release of US GDP data, gold continued consolidating. You can see that the volatility remained low and the market was trading in sideways for a quite long period of time. In order to protect your trading account from the unexpected losses, I recommend not opening any trading position 3 hours ahead of the high impact news releases. Usually during that period, gold starts slowing down, preparing for the news. Most of the breakouts and other confirmations that you will see during such a period will be the false signals. Look what happened with gold a couple of hours before the release of US durable goods orders data. You can see that here in an hourly time frame, the market successfully violated this significant support. And that breakout here was a strong bearish signal from the technical analysis perspective. But you can see that that signal was false, and after the release of the fundamentals, the market went up. If you have an active trading position that you opened way before the news releases, remember to protect your trading position 10 minutes ahead of the news release. And by protection, I mean that you should simply take a stop loss and move it to the entry level. And if the price suddenly reverses after the news, you will close the trade with 0 loss. Alternatively, you can close the entire trading position 10 minutes ahead of the release of the news. Imagine that you spotted a strong bullish signal on gold many hours before the release of the high impact news. You made a decision to buy the market, and then you see that news are coming. 10 minutes before the release of the news, take the stop loss of your trade and move it to entry level, to break even. That is what I call the position protection. After the release of the news, I suggest waiting for the close of an hourly candle before you take any trade. With the first hourly candle close after the news, you will see how the market participants price in the real impact of the news, letting you make a better trading decision. For example, US manufacturing PMI was released just 5 minutes ago, and in order to understand the real impact of this news, I will wait for the hourly candle close. I will let this hourly candle close, and only then I will monitor the situation and I will look for the trading signal. These 3 simple rules will help you to cut losses caused by the news. Integrate them in your trading strategy to increase your profits. Never forget to monitor the economic calendar, and good luck in your trading. Let me know, traders, in the comment section, how do you deal with the high impact news in the economic calendar. Also, if you want to learn how to trade during my trading academy, for more info, check the link in the description below. Also, traders, curious, please watch my other videos.